Welcome to our tutorial on making healthy tea at home. In this video, we will show you how to transform your regular tea into a nutritious and energizing drink. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about the benefits of drinking healthy tea. It can provide essential nutrients like calcium, proteins, and iron, while also boosting your immunity. Let's start with holy basil tea, also known as tulsi chai. It has numerous health benefits and is easy to make. Here's how you can prepare it at home. Next up is cardamom tea, also known as elaichi chai. It has a unique flavor and is great for digestion. Let's learn how to make it. Now, let's move on to licorice tea, also known as mule tea chai. It has a soothing effect on the throat and can help with respiratory issues. Here's how you can prepare it. Lastly, we have ginger tea, also known as adrak chai. It is known for its warming properties and can aid in digestion. Let's see how it's done. That concludes our tutorial on making healthy tea at home. We hope you've learned something new and feel inspired to try these recipes. Cheers to a healthier cup of tea.